It's important to wash and condition your hair correctly. To maintain a healthy scalp and shiny, beautiful hair, shampoo should gently cleanse the scalp and roots of the hair to protect the scalp's delicate microbiome. Conditioner nourishes the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, leaving the hair soft, shiny, and detangled. Sensitive shampoo calms sensitivity, reduces itch, and controls oily or dandruff-prone scalps. The sensitive conditioner promotes softness and shine. Lavender calms the scalp and balances oil production to control dandruff and reduce hair loss. Chamomile soothes and promotes shine. Apple cider vinegar, with its acidic properties, is beneficial to the scalp. Before shampooing, start by brushing the hair to release any knots or tangles. Then wet the hair, making sure the water is not too hot. Hot water can dry the scalp, causing itch and irritation. Use enough shampoo to create a creamy lather. Direct the shampoo into the scalp and roots of the hair, as this is where the sweat, dirt, excess oils and dead skin cells accumulate. Gently massage the shampoo into the scalp to stimulate blood flow to the follicles. Then rinse the shampoo out and repeat if desired. Gently squeeze the excess water from the hair in preparation for the conditioner. Conditioner is like moisturizer for the hair. Apply the conditioner to the mid-lengths and ends of the hair. Smooth it or comb it through the hair. Leave on for a few minutes to allow the active ingredients to work deep into the hair. Rinse out the conditioner. Then dry and style your hair. Enjoy healthy, beautiful hair. Nature and science. Shampoos that nurture your scalp. Conditioners to nourish the hair. Hair care that will change your life.